Hello guys, welcome to this very short technology moment in which we simply want to share with you all our experience and testing, evaluating, and of course implementing a solution like this one based on the Ubiquiti Unifi 7 Pro access points, our preferred solution by the way, two of these access points, and a Unifi Flex 2.5 gigabit per second PoE switch. Well, as you've probably seen, this is the solution that we have deployed, and it's provided us with a performance that we have really liked. That is why this has become our preferred solution for Wi-Fi 7 access point deployments. We're talking about the Unifi 7 Pro, which has a very interesting capacity in terms of users convergence. We've also seen that they're extremely easy to install, as you've probably seen in all of our technology moments. This can be done through the app or the network server application that can be installed on any desktop computer. Also, if we want to implement any Unifi gateway device, we can manage it with a built-in network server, which by the way can even be a cloud key. As you're probably waiting to see, here are the Wi-Fi speeds we achieved here, and as you can see they are simply extraordinary. You'll obviously need to connect the access point to a 2.5 gigabit per second port of a switch like this Unifi Flex 2.5 gigabit per second power over Ethernet switch, which is a perfect match for these access points. It will allow you to power up to 8 access points, and it has the 9th port over 10 gigabit per second. With these access points, you'll be able to create multiple users, user groups, limit schedules, internet access speeds, and much more, like for example, hotspots. We've been using these fantastic access points for almost 2 months, and we have been amazed not only by their stability, but also by their performance. Things to keep in mind for those of you who are about to order one of these devices. One of them is that they do not include the option to connect them to a power adapter. Instead, you'll need to do so through a power injector, also provided by the brand, or connected directly to a power over Ethernet switch. Of course, that PoE switch has to be 2.5 gigabit per second if you want to take advantage of Wi-Fi 7. They do not include any of those power options, something to keep in mind. This isn't really a problem, but rather something very convenient for centralizing or concentrating power supply for both the home's Wi-Fi and backing it up among your internet access via UPS. Okay guys, as always, don't miss out on our technology moments. We hope that this very short video was as informative as you expected. Thanks for watching and see you next time.